Hey, today we are going to show you this cute dance hairstyle. This is my girls' dance team competition go-to hairstyle. So I'm going to show you how we keep it in place all day. So first we damp the crown section with a spray bottle, just water, and then we add a lot of flexible hold gel. I love this one because it's non-toxic. I will link all the products that we use in the caption below. So we make sure to get all those flyaways around the face especially, and back through the crown section. I love this smoothing brush. It helps to really smooth out the hair as you put it into the ponytail. And it's going to take a lot of brushing and smoothing to get it in place. Then very carefully secure it with an elastic. We love to use the ones that are matching for their hair color. I'm going to add some more water and spray gel just to keep all of that in place. We always finish off with hairspray as well. And before we add curls to the ponytail, we always use our favorite heat protectant. Be sure yours isn't filled with silicones or waxes. I will link our favorite in the description below this video. So after we finish curling, we douse it with lots of hairspray, non-toxic, of course, for my girls. And this is how we get it to stay all day. We hope this tutorial helped you with your future dance styles. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Find us over on Instagram, and thanks so much for watching.